Somebody will come and tell you, say, in do jazz, knife not the enter in body, but you dey fear razor blade.
Yo,
Hey, Jesus. Hi, we will too mumu for this country.
But how is this possible? Actors need to wear 3 layers of fireproof materials that are all coated with a flame retardant material called Zelgel. Then they add on a rain suit, a fire suit, and a cotton suit that gets soaked with even more Zelgel, which can even go on the actors' faces too. But why not just use CGI? Honestly, because it's expensive, hard to pull off, and it looks like crap. It's really that simple. I mean, it's the same reason real firearms are used on set instead of fake, but there are a lot more safety protocols than just the suit. Like, the afters have to be put out in at least 20 seconds, and you have to be holding your breath so you don't breathe in any of the fire. Which seems crazy, because how do you focus on giving this amazing performance while not breathing? All while there are apparently up to 70 people being set on fire next to you, like in this Game of Thrones episode. And if you really want to see this happen, you can go to Universal Studios and watch someone get set on fire. They go and walk you through the process and literally set a guy on fire right in front of you.
Our former president, Muhammadu Buhari, called the Nigerian youth lazy. A lot of us said he insulted Nigerians. But Buhari was not far from the truth. Are we not lazy? We are lazy of the mind. It might not actually be lazy physically, but we are lazy in mind. And the last time I checked, he said, as a man thinks, so he is. Your mindset, the way you set your mind, determine who you are. We don't even think. I don't think we think. If our thinking ability, our reasoning ability is high, our actions will be different. Because a man acts the way he thinks. Yes, we don't think high. I made a video and I posted it on Twitter talking about how people walk on fire and how we believe that is spiritual. Nigerians make you think that people on Twitter has common sense and mode of reasoning. They make you believe that those who are on Facebook or TikTok are for babies who doesn't know life. But I can tell you, over time I've discovered that even those who you see on those Twitter are just arguing blindly. They don't reason. You have a smartphone. You have 10 MB. Even if a foolish man says something, even if the person is foolish, you mark my word, the person na mumu, or if by video you saw the guy is dressed is a mad person, no matter how the person look, you are just 1 minute away click to know whether he's saying the truth or not. Browse the information. The era we are is called information age. We are moved from industrial age to information age. Anything that somebody say can be confirmed. That's why Peter Obi, when he was campaigning, was saying, verify my information. It's verifiable. You can check it, 10 MB. That is if the information is too much. Because to read takes lesser MB than to watch a video. That's why I posted that video. And I can post more to prove to you that walking through a fire does not demand spiritual power. If you like, hit your head on the water. I don't know what I'm talking about. Fire is not spiritual. Walking through a fire is not spiritual. Of course, there is no spiritual power anywhere. That's me saying it. I can still prove it to you. Put money. But you can just, as I talk now, just browse it. What is fireproof? Just as we have bulletproof. Are there bulletproof? Yes. Something you can wear and bullet will not pierce into you. Yes. But some of you today still think that bulletproof is spiritual. I don't like swearing, but you guys are provoking me to be swearing. If there's any strong shrine in Africa today, any strong shrine that you think the man are the strongest babalawo, Just open hand grenade. Hand grenade. Put inside the Shiran. Hey, if the bomb will explode both the Shiran and the Babalawo, call me bastard. I wish Nigeria will even fight a war with a country. With a country that has sophisticated weapons. Let me see whether make una line up all una spiritual fathers. Make I see whether bullet no go finish una. It has come to that point that many of you are not thinking at all. You be telling me powers day. Where is the power? Can't you see? Whenever you want to claim power day, it's only about evil. Say somebody is telling me on the Twitter, if they slap you, you go run before you go return back. Why don't the power do good for you? Now, for you to know that if they catch you, you now say, hey, in Africa, we only using our own to do bad because you don't have. You are manipulating people. It's not spiritual. We are lazy in this country because we know they think. We don't think. We perish for lack of knowledge. Knowledge means knowing to the edge. As a layman definition, knowing to the edge means knowledge. The more you know, to the degree you know, to the degree you become knowledgeable. Make research, read. You have data, you have smartphone. You are a typical ignorant person. Now, don't get me wrong, go. No material on the face of earth can resist fire to a certain degree. But when we say that, even the bulletproof that you wear, there is a way they will shoot you. Even a bulletproof car, shoot you, they will crack it and bullet will enter. But what we mean bulletproof is that at the instant, the bullet or 3 or 4 bullets will not penetrate you. The same thing with the fireproof. You see that Babalawo, that man that claimed that he's a spiritual man wearing that thing, if he stay inside that fire for close to 1 hour, he will burn to ashes. He will burn to ashes. That's why he has a limited time he will stay and walk away. 1 to 2 minutes, he will stay in the fire and walk away before the chemicals resisting the fire will melt off. There are chemicals that can resist fire if you rub it on your body. Just like today, they have what they call sunburn cream. That if you rub it on your body, the sun will not burn your skin. As simple as these things are, technology. Before, many of us believe that people can take people picture and kill them. When I see they discuss that matter again, now that everybody picture their Facebook, their social media, including the ones that died before social media was existing, we don't put all our forefathers, all those people that claim saying that then they do the jazz. Some of them picture their Facebook now. Who won't take your picture, go kill him? When Buhari was sick that year, that's why they argue, Buhari no go come back, he should die. I say, you don't need to pray. His picture frame is in everybody's house, newspaper. Take his picture to Babalawo, let us see whether it will be killed. You guys are, I said we are lazy. Buhari did not make any mistake to insult us. And this is the reason why Buhari's statement is short. Because when he was sick, some of you are thinking he will die, he will do this and that. Buhari said these guys are, you know they think. 21st century. 21st century behaving like 17th century. You still believe people can kill you through your picture. You are believing people can kill you through your hair. Everybody here where you know, they in saloon. Everybody, every woman hair dead somewhere. Who want kill you through your hair? Say, spirit today. Which spirit be that one? But you see, I can't use one video to be explaining everything or how this truth works. But I just want to explain to you. Today, as I'm talking to you, nobody fit send anybody thunder. Thunder arrest or day every hour. Anywhere thunder strike and destroy something, it's because either the thunder arrest around the place is weak. But you go cleansing and somebody send them. Which person be that one? You get power of thunder. Now these kidnappers full everywhere for Nigeria. You are claiming Odeshi. Do Odeshi join army. Hey, bullet no enter your body to call me bastard. You guys are believing lies. Somebody will come and tell you, say, in do jazz. Knife not the enter in body. But you dey fear razor blade. Hey, Jesus. Hey, we will too mumu for this country. You do jazz, knife no the entire body, but you dey fear razor blade. If they won't cut your nail, you go dey fear. When they don't cut you mistakenly, you won't cut orange, you dey fear. You dey fear injection. You wey drive no fit enter police dey fear injection. I'm out of here, Joe.